get a Coke.
Coke?
Yeah.
Main ka na kagad yun. We are at Grand Westside Residence, checking in before I go to UST later para magpaskuhan. So dito na din ako uuwi after ng paskuhan because my family is here, also my cousins and my tita and my lola. So they're gonna stay here until tomorrow. Bali 2 nights. 2 nights kami here before we go to Boracay naman ng 21. So I'm gonna stay here. Nails reveal, guys. Look, so cute ng nails. Very Christmas vibe. Here's the other one. Hi, Tita. Oh, my babies. Hi. How are you? How was your flight?
Really? Good job. We got a family room where the rooms are interconnected with one another so that we can see each other, but this one's locked. And we're just gonna settle. Those are my cousins, by the way. No, not this one. That's my brother. Those. And they opened the door. Okay, next year.
Bigyan na sleeping pills si mami na.
I like this one better. And this one is our room naman. Because this one, the other room, some boys, I think, I don't know.
Flavor.
Yeah.
The dish.
But you have to tell it. Because
Yeah.
if you just drive by eat, then there's no story, right? Yeah.
That's how it really happened.
Yeah, so take us to some street food, you know?
We're gonna eat at the poolside. But we're gonna go get drinks muna, like shakes. Oh, that's my cousin, by the way.
Na cum laude yan.
Wow.
Kay kuya lang na nasira yung
Shakes are
pag-iisip niya.
here.
Doon pa na ano.
watermelon with sugar. Isang watermelon na lang po with
We're at Genki Sushi, guys.
Maybe.
fried. Anything fried?
Okay. Okay, so...
I like twisted stuff. Twisted stuff.
Main ka na kagad? You won't eat any sashimi?
It's not a fine yata.
Huh?
Okay, the train.
For you?
Yeah, ooh! The train is...
And then...
Ay, wala silang... Oh, did you say
May bawal pala sa'yo yan. Jackpot. Big.
Oh, there. I'm free. I guess. I don't know. No. Tuna sauce. Oh. Tuna sauce. Hey, narinig niya. Ganun pa rin talaga yung standard nila. Isa pang in order. Fish.
Really good. I wanna get a Coke.
Coke.
Yeah. Third batch.
They have like a sweet sauce.
No, yeah, mostly dito talaga.
Final boss. Guys, I bought Sunnies as a gift to myself. Tagal namin pumili ng color kanina. Ang dami pa namin hinahawakan. Tapos wala yung gusto kong kulay na violet, nakakainis.
What color did you get?
You'll see in this unboxing video. First, to the glider. This is like the straw. Recap lang again. I wanted the color violet one, like somewhat dark violet. Pero out of stock yung color. So, hindi ko na kinuha. Ibang color na lang yung kinuha ko kasi wala lang. The connector. Ito yung color ng connector. It's like white. No, not white. It's cream. Or like this. Okay, next is the Robo Cap and the boot. I got them in the same color. So for the boot, I bought it in the color Boysenberry. So I mean, pati naman yung Robo Cap, it's just in the same color.
Oh, it looks like
Tcharam! It's the
Rubber.
perfect shade of red. And then the Robo Cap, I also got it in the color
Good muffin.
Boysenberry.
You know
Such a
why she
basic-
bought a new flask?
Because I
Kasi she
love
lost her Owala.
Funny. And this is the Robo Cup in Boysenberry. It's also in like cherry shred. Hindi siya ganyan sa lighting, but yeah, it's really pretty as well. And then kaya Robo Cup yung napili ko kasi I like it with a straw. Perfect one would be the bottle. You have to guess what color I got. Again, it's not my favorite color. But it's really pretty. Parang ano lang. Ta-da-dan! Charan! It's mochi. It's like peach. It's not light pink. Ang pangit nung lighting. But it's peach. So, medyo orangey siya. And bagay siya here. Sa color ng ibang accessories. It's laser. Okay, let's put it. Let's put it all
Kasi
together.
sabi mo, jologs kami.
Let's put it all together. None of these are my favorite colors, but they all match naman.
Hey, lamig.
Done.
Put the video.
Violetta's pink tumbler.
Pink tumbler. Bye. Lamang. Good morning. I'm with my lola. The rest of the family is not yet up. But my lola gets up pretty early. So we're having breakfast pretty early. Wait, let me show you what I got. Of course, pineapple. Never misses. And then I personally requested for a hot chocolate kasi I'm not in the mood to have coffee. And then I got their, arroz caldo. But the thing is, you can put the condiments by yourself, so I like that. And then got cheddar cheese. This is a chocolate muffin. These are hash brown. This is egg benedict. I love eggs. I think this is beef. No, I forgot what this one's called. And then this one is their pan de regla. Their pan de regla is so cute because it's red and it's not pink. And I'm just waiting for my lola to come. This is your food. are in Fort Santiago. They're using the restroom, pero we're gonna roam around and see kung anong meron here because they also wanna see my cousins. They're inside. Yeah. Fort Santiago, guys. It's
Burned during the siege of the Chinese pirate Lin Feng in 1574. It was reconstructed with local volcanic.
1944,
Happened
45. It's the end of World War II.
oh wow.
Guys, over here, Jay.
Okay, guys, we're at Chuanti in Binondo, and we're gonna eat chow longa.
Hindi sila
What?
pwede umuulan.
Okay.
Si Mami.
Say hi. Yeah, you just make it up. Say hi, Leben.
Oh, you guys, video this.
Is it hot? It's hot. It's very hot. Look at my dad, guys. What is he wearing?
Naka-check in na kasi tayo, man.
We're about to go. Yay. Okay, guys. We're like, we are at the port. Going to the island.
It's fun.
Welcome. Welcome again.
Welcome again.
Welcome to Boracay again.
Nga. You're right now, everyone. Now we're going to ride a van papunta na sa hotel. We're at the hotel.
Ano? Opo, ano honor niya? Magna cum laude.
Yeah. Okay, hi guys. Sorry, I didn't record it, but we're in Astoria. This is our room. I mean, for our family lang. The others are in their room. I'm so tired. Oh. Okay guys, we're at Subo. We're gonna have our dinner here. We were walking sa beach area kanina, and we were just like, you know, window shopping and such. But we're so hungry, so we're gonna eat first. Okay. They wanted a Filipino-looking restaurant, so they got this. Ooh, so pretty! So pretty, so pretty! I guess it was like three. One more.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Remember the bodyguard.
Wait, not yet.
You know what? You know ice?
Say it. Toast to what?
Toast to family. Toast to family.
Toast to family.
You get the big sweat.
It's good.
Let me give you one more.
Thank you.
Oh, it's like cold and hot at the same time. Alright, we're trying oysters.
We're gonna try the oysters, guys. So hey,
I want some.
it should taste better with the vinegar.
Oh yeah.
I'm scared.
Thank you.
don't even go to church.
I see right over there. Oh, whatever.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, the food is lit.
It's good. Yeah.
Cup.
Oh, that was good.
Try it.
At the beach, it's raining, so the sun is not so up.
Anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo?
I gotta be pretty like
Oh,
my
that's gonna be 1 million followers.
my niece.
Yeah. Trending,
You see the
trending.
bloodline?
Yeah.
Viral.
It flows.
Can't sit with us.
Let's do this, tita! Wow! We're at Buka. We just got down, swam, we played in the water. Yeah, wait. Sabi and everyone else. Ate the food. Chilling. Just Devin. Moment.
No, it's fine. Mas maganda.
Chilling at the boat. So fun, guys. We're gonna go snorkeling.
Yung queen, yung gago. Sir, that's your buko, sir.
Mama. Oh, I mean, maybe.
Share with you. Kasi hindi mo na makakain. Just one. One for her. I'll share with her.
Dalawang 50 meron.
Yeah.
They're snorkeling. It's lunchtime. Everyone, hi. Okay, so I'm going to Shakey's right now for lunch, and it's currently around 12:45. We have finished all water sports kaninang umaga. The reason why I wasn't able to like capture any of it was because I was so busy joining all the activities. Like, nag-banana boat, I was there. Nag-jet ski, I was there. I drove as well. Nahulog pa nga ako because of my brother, but it's fine. It was fun. And then, the last was the parasailing, and I was there because no one wanted to join Jaden. Kasi nga nakakahilo siya and medyo mataas siya, right? So no one wanted to join him anymore, and everyone's kind of tired. So I joined him. So you can guess right now that I'm pretty tired. But look at my skin, guys. I feel like I'm glowing. You know, I'm getting pretty golden now. So now I'm heading to Shakey's kasi doon magla-lunch. I washed first. Dumaan muna ako ng hotel to wash because, I don't know, I'm getting all sticky and itchy, so I had to wash. So now we're heading to go lunch. Hi! We're like, the girls are having fun by the beach. And the boys are fishing. No, I have my fresh mango shake here. On my book. Hi guys. So we're at an orphanage today, this Christmas. We're gonna give out food and then make program there and then just have fun with them. Like share blessings and all. And the venue. This is where they gather around the Christmas party. Small Christmas party for them. I'm so excited. Who's that? Kuya? Just Kuya.
Is the Tagalog of the
Spoon.
Spoon.
Oh, you know this. You know this a while ago.
Yeah.
Utot.
No.
I don't know.
Come on, sit in here. Stay over here.
Sushitaka.
What is the Tagalog of
Ano?
ceiling?
Ceiling?
Oh, wall!
A wall. Okay, wall.
Wall. No, walls.
Do you have anything to say?
They will keep that in mind.
Okay, first, yes.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, so first on our way to the Philippines, we saw him on the plane, and Santa's like, "Can you give this to the good kids in the Philippines?" Wow! He won it!
Oh, that's your wallet right there.
Thank you, Ma.
Take a picture. Take a picture.
She was a pretty wallet.
Yeah, very nice.